All right, so we're continuing on with our doodle series here, and we are going to do another Zentangle inspired design. Now, with this, you are going to lay out your lines based on the shape of your rock. Anywhere an X intersection happens or a T intersection happens is where one of these flowers is kind of going to develop, and you do want to connect your edges eventually on the outside. You'll see that here in a second. But you're going to build out each one of your lines slowly around your entire rock. So you want to do this consistently around your rock so that your flowers kind of develop the same thickness. So I do all my vertical lines, and then I'm going to turn my rock and I'm going to do all of my horizontal lines. And as you can see, once you've got 4 petals, you can already see these flower shapes developing. And then we're going to go ahead and connect together the outer edges of our petals as well. This will kind of create our border and make it so our petals don't get completely out of shape. But as you can see, you could really adjust this to just about any shape of rock that you're working with. Now, once you've got one stripe on each one, you're going to repeat this process. So now we're adding a second stripe on either side of all of our vertical lines. And then we'll turn and do all the horizontal lines. You're just going to continue doing this until you have filled up the entire surface of the rock. I'm going to speed quite a bit of this up because it does get repetitive. But just keep squeezing those lines in until it's completely full. Now I'm going to give this a nice black outline just to crisp everything up, and it's done. Check out the rest of the doodles in our series and follow along so you don't miss any of the ones coming up. Bye-bye.